Going to Mauritius. I decided not to be lazy and film for you directly the minute I land. And guys, this is worth filming. You're going to see the most amazing view. This is the room. I've been awake now for 26 hours. I've been awake for 26 hours and I'm gonna stay awake. Enjoy everything that Mauritius has to offer.
We're in trances, empty-handed. You like the fast life. You like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, be like when you feel like calling a midnight. You got the best of me.
I came to the buffet with a group of mine. I didn't like the food. This is what he got. Some rice and meat, some oranges. I ordered drink and I will get food later. Yeah, I'll show you my food later. I know
Boa molécule.
what do I know in Portuguese?
How can I say je m'appelle Mariam in Portuguese?
You know better than me, come on.
Try.
What, I don't know. I don't know.
You don't know. How can I say?
You tell me, I will say it.
No, how can I say je m'appelle Alivan in Arabic, Indonesian?
It's me,
It's me.
and then you say your name.
It's me, Alivan. Easy.
Yes.
Easy. Guys. We're in Mauritius. It's
Hi,
like
guys.
35 degree. We enjoy.
room number please?
It's 435.
1235.
We're not going to coming back in Dubai. We stay here for maybe 1 week minimum.
2 weeks.
And after that, we will receive an email. We will be fired.
Of course, yes. No more YouTube vlogs.
No. We are going to the beach. Why we cannot do jet? I want to do jet ski. Guys. She wants to take a French class, and she want to pay 100 dirham.
I don't pay shit. Prepare to hear my horrible voice. Can you save me? What do you think about Mauritius?
The weather is lovely. My co-workers is lovely.
I love Mauritius. It's crazy. First time here, and I'm going back in 2 weeks, the 15th. I love it. Yes.
Looking forward to that.
I love it, but I love you guys more.
It was a successful day. I changed, I came back, I took a shower, I changed, I wore this dress. I'll show you this. This is the outfit. I'm going for dinner. It was a really successful day and I love Mauritius and this hotel is amazing. God, please bless me always with this amazing crew. And I already asked them like, is it okay if I put you on my vlog? They're like, yes, of course, of course. So supportive, so nice. I love you guys who are watching this. Morning.
We have our pick up in 1 hour. Going to have some breakfast, get ready, and go back to Dubai. This is one of the best layovers ever that you can get in Emirates flights. This layover allowed me to see the beauty of the world. Like, I'm watching the sunset now in front of me. It's so beautiful. I thank God for 2024. I am looking forward to 2025. Thank you so much guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment down below. Tell me what you want to see next. I'll hear you guys when you tell me that you want to see more vlogs, so more vlogs are coming.